Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can fix if you have this error iPhone unavailable, or if you forget the passcode of your iPhone and you want to reset your passcode, or you want to fix this problem without PC. So I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can reset your password, how you can do it without password, how you can just hard reset your iPhone, how you can fix this iPhone unavailable problem, or if you forgot the passcode, now if you want to reset it without the passcode without PC. So watch this video until the end. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To fix this problem, you need another device. You can borrow from friend, or you can use your another iPhone or iPad or even Android device. So once you have that device, you have to go to iCloud.com and sign in the same Apple ID that you are using on this iPhone, right? Then log into your account, then click on Find My iPhone, and it will show you the devices. So I have to enter the password again. Then simply click on all devices. Now select the iPhone. So in my case, I have iPhone 8. Then click on and simply click on play sound. Once your iPhone is playing sound, once you have made sure that you have the right iPhone, simply click on raise iPhone. Then again click on raise. Then enter your Apple ID again and the password again. You have to sign in your Apple ID. So once it's done, it will optionally ask for you the phone number. You can enter anything. It doesn't matter what you enter. Then simply click on next. After entering the phone number, then click on erase, and you will get this erase started. So it will take a few seconds to erase your iPhone. Just watch. As you can see, now the iPhone is being restored without PC, and just wait for a few seconds until it's done. So as you can see, now the iPhone is restored factory default. Now you can press the home button. Now you can choose your language and region, then click on start, then enter your Wi-Fi password and connect to your Wi-Fi. Then on the next page, it will ask for you your Apple ID. Then you have to enter your Apple ID to continue setup. So as you can see here, iPhone locked owner. Now simply enter your Apple ID that you have logged in on this account before. So once you're logged in, you have to continue, click on setup. Now just let me do the setup. Now as you can see, the Apple ID has been removed, the passcode has been removed without PC. As you can see, the error has been fixed. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.